How to generate a professional email using Magic School AI. So in order to do that, you just need to head over and then click on this professional email under the Magic Tools. If you can't look for it, you can head over and then just search for it right here on the search bar. Head over and click on this professional email right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can put in here the author name. So for example, just write in here your name. And then put in here the content that you want to include in email. So for example, you're writing about the absences of a certain student. For example, the student of Jane Doe. You can put in your professional email about that and then taking summer classes. So you just need to put in here these things and click on this generate, and then it will create a professional email for you. So just head over and then generate that, and you should be able to see in here the professional email. As you can see, it will show you this. The subject will be this one, update on Jane Doe's absences and summer classes. I hope this email finds you well. In light of the absences, please let me know. And as you can see, it's professional as it looks. Now you just need to put in here your position and your contact information. You can head over and copy it. And then you can go to your actual Gmail and then send this to the principal, superintendent, or anyone involved. So that's the whole process. Hope we helped.